The 2013-2017 Chevrolet TRAX features steering wheel buttons for convenient control of various vehicle functions. These buttons enhance driver safety by minimizing distractions, allowing hands-free operation of audio, phone, and cruise control systems. This video will guide you on how to effectively use these buttons. On the left side of the steering wheel, you'll find the audio controls. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the volume. The Seek Forward Back buttons allow you to change radio stations or skip tracks on a CD, USB, or aux input. A mode button may cycle through available audio sources. The phone controls on the 2013-2017 Chevrolet TRAX enable hands-free calling to keep your focus on the road. To answer incoming calls, simply press the phone icon button located on the steering wheel. This provides quick access without taking your hands off the wheel. A separate button activates voice command functionality. This integrates seamlessly with OnStar or your Bluetooth-connected smartphone, supporting Siri or Google Assistant. You can make calls hands-free by using voice commands, such as saying "Call Mom" to initiate a call. Cruise control buttons maintain a set speed on the highway. First, reach your desired speed above 25 miles per hour. Then press the Set button to engage cruise control. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the speed up or down. Press Cancel to disengage cruise control. If steering wheel buttons become unresponsive, start by checking the vehicle's fuses. Look specifically for the fuse related to the infotainment system, as this controls the buttons. The fuse box is usually located under the hood of the vehicle. Open the hood and locate the fuse box. It's often marked or labeled. Once you've found the fuse box, inspect the infotainment fuse. If it appears blown, meaning the wire inside is broken, you'll need to replace it with a new fuse of the exact same amperage rating. If replacing the fuse doesn't solve the problem, or if the buttons remain unresponsive, it's time to consult a professional mechanic. They can diagnose deeper electrical issues or component failures that may require specialized tools or parts. As an additional troubleshooting step, you can try recalibrating the steering wheel controls. Simply hold down the mode button on the steering wheel while turning the ignition key to the ACC position. This can sometimes reset any calibration issues. To maintain button functionality, regularly clean the steering wheel buttons with a soft, dry cloth to remove dust and debris. Gently wipe them to prevent buildup that could interfere with operation. For full functionality of phone-related buttons, ensure your phone is properly paired via Bluetooth. Access the center console screen and navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth to complete the pairing process. The 2013-2017 Chevrolet TRAX features physical buttons on the steering wheel, a design approach that was standard in the early 2010s. These buttons provided reliable, tactile controls for audio, phone, and cruise functions. By the late 2010s and 2020s, automotive design evolved significantly. Newer vehicles from Chevrolet and other manufacturers have largely replaced physical buttons with touchscreens and voice-activated controls, driven by consumer demand for minimalist interiors and seamless smartphone integration like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. While the physical buttons on the TRAX are praised for their durability and ease of use without looking away from the road, modern trends emphasize digital integrations. Studies show that voice controls reduce distracted driving by up to 2%, and experts predict physical buttons could be obsolete in 80% of new cars by 2030 as vehicles become more software-defined. While the TRAX is a legacy vehicle, aftermarket kits costing around $200 to $500 can add modern features like wireless charging or AI assistance to enhance your driving experience. However, consider that newer cars prioritize digital interfaces, touchscreens, and voice controls over traditional physical buttons, which are becoming obsolete. For updated features and safety, evaluate upgrading to a newer vehicle with advanced control systems like adaptive cruise control and emergency braking, as physical buttons could be obsolete in most new cars by 2030.